Hi there. Today we're diving into a topic that's as fascinating as it is urgent: AI's role in the next pandemic. Artificial intelligence is shaping nearly every aspect of our world, from the way we communicate to how we work, learn, and even how we fight diseases. But with that power comes risk. And when it comes to global pandemics, AI can be both a sword and a shield. In the next 30 minutes, we'll explore how AI might help or harm us in a future pandemic through misinformation, surveillance, breakthrough discoveries, and ethical challenges. Let's begin. 1. AI's role in the spread of pandemics. Accelerated spread of misinformation. AI has made it easier than ever to spread information, but that includes false information too. With tools like deepfakes and AI-powered bots, misinformation can spread faster than the virus itself. Imagine a fake video of a world leader announcing a lockdown that never happened, or AI-generated tweets pushing fake cures or conspiracy theories. In the early days of a pandemic, that kind of content can create chaos. It erodes trust in official health organizations, making it harder for accurate information to reach the public. AI-driven surveillance tools like facial recognition and location tracking can help monitor outbreaks, but they also come with major risks. In some cases, mass tracking of individuals' movements and health data may lead to a false sense of control, or worse, abuse of civil liberties. Ironically, over-reliance on these tools might actually facilitate the spread of disease if people try to avoid being tracked. If the data isn't properly analyzed in real time. Unintended consequences. AI doesn't always do what we think it will. Let's say an AI system is built to optimize airline routes. That's great in normal times, but during an outbreak, it could unintentionally connect high-risk areas faster, accelerating disease spread. These kinds of side effects, while unintentional, can have serious global impacts. 2. AI as a pandemic weapon. Bioweapons development. This is the dark side of AI. The same technologies used to understand viruses can be misused to create them. AI can help design new pathogens, ones that are more contagious, more deadly, or harder to treat. In the wrong hands, that kind of knowledge becomes a weapon. AI-powered pathogen engineering AI can simulate how genetic sequences evolve, helping researchers create synthetic versions of viruses for vaccine testing. But it can also be used to create entirely new diseases. We're talking about viruses with no natural immunity, resistant to treatments, and difficult to detect in their early stages. That's not science fiction. It's a growing concern among experts in biosecurity. Targeted attacks AI can also be used to identify specific individuals based on health records, genetics, or social behavior. In a worst-case scenario, this could allow attackers to engineer pathogens targeting people with certain traits, specific genes, conditions, or even geographic regions. It's terrifying, and it underscores the importance of regulating AI use in biology. 3. AI as a pandemic shield. Early detection and outbreak prediction. Here's where AI shines. AI can analyze enormous amounts of data, social media posts, travel patterns, search queries, even sewage analysis, to spot the first signs of a new disease outbreak. It doesn't sleep, it doesn't get tired, and it can catch things human analysts might miss. Imagine an AI noticing a sudden spike in people Googling loss of smell in a specific city and flagging it as a potential hotspot. Rapid disease identification. Once an outbreak begins, time is everything. AI-powered diagnostic tools can rapidly analyze genetic material to identify the cause of an illness. That means faster development of treatments, vaccines, and public health measures. What used to take weeks might now take hours. Personalized medicine and treatment. Not every patient is the same, and neither should be their treatment. AI can analyze a patient's medical history, genetic profile, and even response to medication to recommend personalized treatments. In a pandemic, this could save lives by identifying who needs urgent care, who's at higher risk, and which treatments will actually work. 4. The ethical dilemma of AI in pandemic response. Data privacy and security. AI needs data to work. But whose data? And how is it being used? During a pandemic, governments and companies may collect sensitive health and location data. If not handled correctly, that data could be leaked, misused, or abused, long after the crisis ends. Balancing the need for public health with personal privacy is one of the biggest ethical challenges AI faces. Algorithmic bias. AI reflects the data it's trained on. If that data includes social or racial biases, the AI will likely replicate them. That means communities already marginalized may get less accurate diagnoses, fewer resources, or slower responses. It's a digital form of discrimination, and in a pandemic, it can be deadly. Job displacement AI tools can make pandemic response more efficient. But at what cost? Automation in hospitals, testing centers, and even public health hotlines could reduce the need for human workers. That means lost jobs, reduced income, and growing inequality, right when communities need support the most. 5. A future shaped by AI. The rise of synthetic biology. AI is accelerating the rise of synthetic biology, the design and creation of new biological parts, systems, and organisms. In a future pandemic, this could mean faster vaccine production, new antiviral treatments, or even synthetic immune boosters tailored to each outbreak. But it also means greater responsibility. Designing life isn't something to take lightly. AI-driven public health systems. Imagine public health systems that don't just respond to pandemics, but predict and prevent them. AI could monitor global data in real time, detect unusual patterns, and trigger early interventions. It could tailor health messages to specific communities, deliver medicine via drones, and coordinate global responses in seconds. The need for responsible AI. All of this leads to one conclusion. We need responsible AI. That means transparency in how it works, regulations to prevent abuse, and inclusive design to ensure no one is left behind. Einem jo wagji ros magaban eskos. And how we choose to use it will shape the future of global health. AI will undoubtedly play a major role in the next pandemic. It can help us spot outbreaks earlier, treat patients better, and coordinate responses faster than ever before. But it can also spread misinformation, widen inequality, and create new threats we've never seen before. The key is balance, embracing the benefits of AI while actively working to prevent its misuse. Because in the next pandemic, it won't just be viruses we're fighting, it will be the systems we've built to stop them. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed the content and want to stay updated on more insightful discussions and analyses about AI and its impact on the future, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Also, make sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to listen. Thanks again, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.